Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Affle India. Our analyst maintains buy on Affle with a price target of Rs 1820 as the resilient India and global emerging markets and the timely turnaround in developed markets position it favorably to achieve strong and sustainable organic growth of 20% year-on-year. Affle's deep industry expertise and innovative cost per converted user business model positions the company advantageously within the evolving ad tech landscape. We expect sales CAGR of 22.8% and PAT CAGR of 21.7% over FY24 to 27. At the current market price, the stock trades at 58.4 times its FY25, 45.1 times FY26 and 36.4 times FY27 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on HOCO Limited. Our analyst maintains positive view on HUDCO with a price target of Rs 352. The company is likely to deliver a healthy book value CAGR of 17%, driven by strong earnings growth, led by 31% loan book CAGR over FY24 to 27. There is a strong visibility of growth over the next 5 years, as it is the biggest beneficiary of government thrust on affordable housing and urban infrastructure financing needs. The important thing to note is that the most of HUDCO's exposure is government guaranteed, thus risk is minimal, providing steady path for ROA trajectory. The stock trades at 2.6 times FY25, 2.2 times FY26 and 1.9 times FY27 book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.